This video is to assist you and your builder in getting prepared and organized for the reassembly of your log home. Our aim is to acquaint you with what you need to have prepared before the delivery and the equipment and manpower necessary for the reassembly. The log work for your home will arrive by 45 to 48 foot tractor trailer and generally involve multiple loads of trucks. Therefore, your site needs to be accessible for this type of vehicle. If your site is not, we need to know prior to shipping so other arrangements can be made. Sometimes the tractor trailers are offloaded onto smaller flatbed trucks that can access the site. In even more remote areas, we've had the loads delivered by helicopter. If you're not certain a tractor trailer of this size can access your site, you should discuss this with your general contractor or builder, and you may want to hire a local trucking company to come and give you their opinion. Your site needs to be fully prepared for the log work to be reassembled properly and in a timely manner. If your site is not ready, it can cause significant delays and may cost you money, so it's important to have everything done and ready to go. Your site must be backfilled and leveled with an adequate flat area for a crane. The crane from that location needs to be able to reach all the corners of the building and the log trailer being unloaded. The foundation should be square and built to plan specifications.
It's 38 source. Oh, okay.
J-bolts should be in place and located as per plan, both along the foundation and at the proper setback from the face of the foundation wall. Bolts should be straight and not at an angle, making it difficult to couple to. The subfloor must be completely framed with sill sealer and metal flashing in place, along with a 1x6 spacer board around the entire perimeter of the foundation. This gives you ample spacer to slip finished flooring material into. Concrete sonotubes need to be in place where log posts are located with the proper pinning details, and it may be necessary to have decks framed where log posts land. The site should have a flat, clean area where logs can be offloaded if necessary. Use plastic or straw in order to keep the logs clean. Avoid placing the logs directly on loose soil. The crane arrangements and rental is the homeowner's responsibility. It should be in place from the time the first truck arrives until the log shell is completely reassembled. The crane needs to have a boom long enough to reach all walls and corners of the building, as well as the area where trailers will be parked and any other areas where logs may be staged. The crane also needs to be capable of safely lifting the weight of the log components. All of our projects are different and may require different size cranes. We will give you the crane specifications needed well before shipping, so the right equipment can be located and rented. 4 to 5 fully insured workers are required. At least 2 should be experienced framers, accustomed to working off of the ground on the log walls, ladders, and scaffolding. Their primary job will be to set logs, level, and nail. One man should have experience using a chainsaw. Your general contractor or builder would be best to supply any workers. The cost for all laborers and tools is the responsibility of the homeowner. We will send 1 to 2 supervisors, depending on the size and complexity of the project, to oversee the reassembly of the log work. It's critical you have all of the necessary tools and materials to complete the log work reassembly. We will provide you with a list of these items, but it's your responsibility to make certain they are on site prior to scheduling the reassembly. Not having the right equipment, tools, manpower, and materials will slow the process down and inevitably affect the quality of the finished product and cost you more money.